Why excuses hold us back.
Excuses can sabotage even the best intentions when it comes to fitness. Common barriers include lack of time, motivation, or resources. Understanding your personal obstacles is the first step to overcoming them. Identifying why you skip workouts lets you address these issues head-on and build a plan designed for real-world challenges.
Defining your fitness goals.
Set clear, realistic goals before you begin. Decide whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle, reduce stress, or simply get moving. Break big goals into smaller, manageable milestones. Well-defined objectives will keep you focused and allow you to measure progress, making it easier to stay motivated and consistent.
Customizing your workout routine.
Personalize your workouts to fit your lifestyle and preferences. Choose activities you enjoy, such as walking, cycling, or yoga. Schedule flexible times. Even 10-minute sessions count. If mornings are tough, try lunchtime or evening workouts. The key is to make exercise convenient and enjoyable, so you'll stick with it no matter what.
Planning for obstacles.
Anticipate what might get in your way. If you travel often, pack resistance bands or use hotel gyms. If you're busy, try high-intensity interval training for quick results. When motivation dips, partner with a friend or track your progress. By preparing solutions for each barrier, you'll be ready to stay on track.
Building consistency and accountability.
Commit to your new routine and keep yourself accountable. Use calendars, fitness apps, or journal entries to track your workouts. Celebrate small successes along the way. Enlist friends, join online support groups, or hire a coach for extra encouragement. Consistency, not perfection, is what makes your no-excuse fitness plan truly work.